Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I will continue my video lesson for the topic Light. The learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. Let's begin with the learning outcomes of this lesson. To explain how non-luminous objects are seen, to recognize that light is reflected from plane surfaces in a predictable way. Objects which makes or give out their own light are known as luminous objects. Are objects which make their own light. Some examples are sun, candle, light bulb, etc. This is the image of sun. You see here that it is a luminous object because it is making light of its own. In fact, it is erupting in flares. Non-luminous objects does not make their own light. Objects that does not make their own light. Some examples are wood, plastic, book, cupboard, etc. You see in this picture, all the items are examples of non-luminous objects like table, chair, wall clock, vase, windows, etc. Reflection of light is bouncing off or return of light after striking a surface. Reflection of light is bouncing off or return of light after striking a surface. The light ray striking a surface is known as incident ray. While the light ray which is reflected is known as reflected ray. ray that is reflected. Normal is the line at right angle to the surface where a light ray strikes. This is normal. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence. This one is a reflected incident ray. And this one is a reflected ray. The angle between the reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. This is angle of reflection. When a ray of light strikes a uniform or flat surface, the ray may be parallel, converging, or diverging. This one is parallel. And this one is converging. And this is diverging ray. When a ray of light strikes a rough or non-uniform surface, the resultant rays will be diffused or scattered like this. Scattered or diffused. So here's the summary of this video lesson. Objects which makes or give out their own light are known as luminous objects. Non-luminous objects does not make their own light. Reflection of light is bouncing off or return of light after striking a surface. The light ray striking a surface is known as incident ray. The light ray which is reflected is known as reflected ray. Normal is the line at right angle to the surface where a light ray strikes. The angle between the incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. When a ray of light strikes a uniform or flat surface, the ray may be parallel, converging, or diverging. When a ray of light strikes a rough or non-uniform surface, the resultant rays will be diffused or scattered. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.